Hi, my name is Jacob and this is the first episode of Breaking Down Investment Ratios. Today we are covering the famous PE ratio. The price divided by earnings ratio is the most widely used method for determining whether shares are correctly valued in relation to one another, but the ratio does not in itself indicate whether the share is a bargain. The first component of the ratio is price of the whole company, also known as the market cap. This can be calculated by multiplying outstanding shares with the price of one share. The second component is earnings, which means the profit of the company for previous year. This ratio can also be used to predict how many years does it take to earn back the investment. If the current PE ratio is 10, it takes approximately 10 years to earn your investment back, considering that the components of the ratio remain the same. When analyzing a stock with the PE ratio, make sure to compare companies within the same industry, as different industries might have different PE standards. Companies with negative earnings or no profit have an undefined PE ratio, usually shown as not applicable, or sometimes a negative PE ratio may be shown. With this ratio, it is also possible to compute the earnings yield. This can be done by dividing 1 with PE ratio. This shows the yield of the investment if the PE ratio remains the same. This is one of the most basic ratios and should not be depended on entirely when choosing your investment, but it can be used as one of the metrics when analyzing a company. The legendary investor Benjamin Graham has said that companies with a PE ratio of less than 9 could potentially mean being a bargain. This of course varies from one sector to another and should not be used as a principle. This was the Investor Jacobs Show. Be sure to like the video if you learned something new and subscribe for new episodes. See you around.